The Defence Ministry on Friday inked a deal with Airbus Defence and Space of Spain to procure 56 C-295 medium transport aircraft for the Indian Air Force. The nearly rupees 20,000 crore deal will replace the aging Avro 748 planes of the Indian Air Force. C-295 MW is a transport aircraft of 5 to 10 ton capacity with contemporary technology. The government said that it has a rear ramp door for quick reaction and para-dropping of troops and cargo. This is the first project of its kind where a military aircraft will be manufactured in India under technology transfer by a private company. The deal was approved by the Cabinet Committee on Security earlier this month, and the deal was sealed on September the 24th, that is today. This marks the culmination of a decade-long process to replace the Avro aircraft. As per the deal, the first 16 of these aircraft will be delivered in a flyaway condition from Spain within 48 months of the contract being signed. The rest of the planes will be manufactured in India by a consortium led by the Tata Group over 10 years. Ratan Tata congratulated the Airbus Defence, Tata Advanced Systems Limited and the Defence Ministry on the one-of-its-kind deal inked today. In a signed statement, he said that manufacturing these state-of-the-art aircraft in India will create a domestic supply chain comparable to international standards which has never been undertaken before. He also said this would give a major boost to Make in India campaign. The fleet will replace the Avro aircraft of the Air Force, which are British origin, twin-engine turboprop military transport and freighter with a 6-ton freight capacity. Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.